Hey, English learners. Welcome back to Easy English Conversations.
I'm Jane.
And I'm Ben.
We're really happy you're here with us.
Today, we're talking about something we all know.
Awkward silence.
That quiet moment when you're sitting with someone,
Holding your coffee,
looking at the wall.
and your brain goes blank.
Exactly.
Our scenario today is simple.
A one-on-one coffee chat with a colleague.
Maybe someone from work.
Maybe someone new.
We'll share a real story.
Some gentle tools
And later, we'll do a calm, repeat after us moment.
so you can borrow lines you like.
And at the end, we'll have a word tour.
Just relax.
You don't need to be perfect.
Confidence is more important than perfect English.
Okay,
Let's start.
Chapter A, the common problem. So picture this.
You're at a cafe.
Soft music.
Coffee smell.
You're sitting across from your colleague.
Maybe it's your first time chatting alone.
You already said hello.
You already ordered drinks.
You talked about the weather.
And now,
Silence.
silence.
Your brain says, say something.
Your mouth says nothing.
Your heart starts beating faster.
Oh no.
I remember this happened to me once.
Oh?
I met a colleague for coffee. Nice person, friendly smile. But after 2 minutes, we had nothing.
That fast?
Yup. I stared at my cup like it had answers.
I had something similar. New job, new team. My manager invited me for coffee. I thought, great, I'll sound confident. But my brain went empty.
Same.
I nodded too much.
Oh, yes.
Said yeah 5 times in a row.
Exactly.
And inside, I was thinking, please don't let this be awkward.
The funny thing?
What?
Most silence feels awkward only to us.
True.
The other person is usually nervous too.
Both sides.
So, why does this happen?
Because we put pressure on ourselves.
We think we must be interesting
Or funny.
or smart.
But really,
We just need connection. Chapter B. The fixes inside the story.
tool 1. Comment on what's happening.
Okay, first tool.
Very simple.
Talk about what you see.
The moment.
The coffee,
The place.
for example.
This cafe is really cozy.
Or, wow, it's busy today.
Or I always feel calmer with coffee.
When I used this, the silence broke immediately.
Same.
It feels natural,
Tool 2. Ask light, open questions.
not big life questions.
Small, easy ones.
Like, how's your week going?
Did you do anything nice last weekend? Are you working on anything interesting lately?
I tried this with my colleague. She started talking about a project. Boom, conversation alive again.
Tool 3. Echo plus add.
This one is powerful.
Repeat one small part.
Then add something.
If they say, I'm busy with reports,
You say, reports, yeah. Are they stressful?
or reports, I always need coffee for that.
You don't change topic.
You stay with them.
Tool 4. Share small, personal pieces.
Not your whole life story.
Just small things.
I usually come here after work.
I'm trying to drink less sugar lately.
This invites them in.
Chapter C. Extended role play.
Okay.
Okay, let's act it out.
Coffee shop. I'm Ben.
I'm Jane.
Hey, Jane.
Hey, Ben.
Thanks for meeting.
Yeah, no problem.
This place is nice.
Yeah, it is. I like the music.
Same. It feels calm.
How's your week going?
Busy, honestly. Lots of emails.
Emails. Yeah. Are they from clients?
Mostly. How about you?
I'm working on a new presentation.
Oh, nice. Presentations always make me nervous.
Same. I practice in front of my mirror.
I talk to my wall.
That counts.
Do you usually come here?
Sometimes. I like their oat milk.
Oh, I've never tried it. Maybe next time.
Yeah.
So, what do you like to do after work?
Honestly, I go home and lie down.
Same. Sometimes I cook.
Oh, nice. What's your favorite dish?
Simple noodles.
Good choice. Okay, let's breathe together. Repeat after us.
This place is nice.
This place feels cozy.
How's your week going?
How's work lately?
That sounds busy.
That sounds stressful.
Do you usually come here?
Is this your regular cafe?
I always need coffee for that.
Same. Coffee helps.
Slow.
Calm.
You're doing great.
Let's slow down.
Word tour time.
Awkward. Uncomfortable or strange. Example. That silence felt awkward.
Echo. Repeat part of what someone said. Example. You said busy, so I echoed busy and asked more.
Cozy. Warm and comfortable. Example. This cafe feels cozy.
Open question. A question that invites longer answers. Example. How's your week going?
Nervous. Worried or excited inside. Example. I felt nervous before coffee.
Connect. Feel close or friendly. Example. Small talk helps us connect.
Pause. A short, quiet moment. Example. I took a pause before speaking.
Invite. Make someone feel welcome. Example. Sharing small stories invites conversation.
Quick recap.
1. Talk about what's around you.
2. Ask light questions.
3. Echo and add.
4. Share small personal pieces.
Remember, confidence matters more than perfect English. Tiny homework.
This week,
Try one coffee chat
use just one line.
and see what happens.
And tell us in the comments,
Which line did you try?
one sentence is perfect. This is Jane.
This is Ben.
Thanks for spending time with us.
Like and subscribe if this helped.
And we'll see you next episode.
Bye.